And of course, Yan and some of the drops, so there's a fantastic out in the back. It's a say in your Arabia and yes, channel pay so hot. Just some ratio. Now, yes, oneexpert.com. Kame hona yede brewo obebete oneexpert.com off season matches ahodo ekoso wetima adiskade go bottom, and of course leagues ahodo ni bi wo wa mo de yanam ko break mo de mo nyoma dwen so mo ko break tennis ekoso the one building is on, and of course other games be wetima adiskade go bottom koso a nyina oneexpert.com. Now give us measure mo agina na so be mo agina na so be me mo anya sam keto akra nyeja ho ni pansa hwe ahoden no so ho hia obetima ya adwuma no na wonye skade go bottom yi a Chifas mixture na ese kwan bia so no utimi bobobi na prebia no ahode no ejan na so ye Chifas mixture sponsors na no pay, and of course Sedimore gel and roll on, Sedimore gel and roll on pin bia be kwai Sedimore gel and roll on e pa cho say wapon adwuma na wakodu fie no na sometimes from here or something which is the Sedimore gel and roll on esa what it twie bia pin bia footballers and sportsmen and women amaji atom say kwan bia so no e bo mu ye papa nyuma kwedi yes ya kwankwan no pe na ere nsam na de brewo yes kijo na kasani Eric Asie du buadi na e be hyase e de fi yanoma man so kakra twa si dia ba transfer window na bia man force nsaba preseason hyase teams hold on bomb preseason games, and then Manchester United bob back against Leeds United. Now, young boys and boy about the likes of Mason Mount, Mumba Mukakra, Eba was so Muma United force and no, bueno, Omontomo Kakra now, Yamungra, Sa Manchester United and Leeds pre-season friendly anymore. Manchester United came over there, Pimson 2-0, and young guys now, boy, Juma Mason Mount, so Kakamo, someone Tamoka, Leeds United, Nigeria, Sham Homboko, was a game anymore. Other games cost away, and Norway United be famu USA motum ho asana mo de bibia bana wie, and United ball over 5 games, be ball 4, be ball 3, and ya de ansana league no ahase manta de animo no hye no sa fami oneexpert.com akache na bring na match bia cost of it mediskade go bottom. Now yen kopie mu the Ghana Football Association o makache enra na ya launch the DNA the Ghana football na chese ye philosophy as see no ye ba be kire nkwada na fi wo mo 10 years e ball manimu akwakosi Black Stars ni mo no enra na ya launch ye Sergio Manocho e di akire ye.
Ghana football philosophy ya dodo na afre DNA no abrewa yipuma kwam ena GF kuo no enra adwada ta mo boy no omo ya paso e de atwa homamu a omo pa ho ntoma efitrim ni santini ena dodo na e kaseti a kwan ya Ghana ye fa so boy ball anu nti ena kuo e kwa asetena no omo ko bankro mo mpenkofo a omo ti agro na se ye omo so kotena computer ho ebi nso di twere asi nkrata so a philosophy omo kruchere fefefe papa wo di animu asansem nyina mo de share book mu no GF technical director Ura Bernard Lepe osenani agye ho pa na kwa man bia so a ekwa mfo sisi o makan no eno kire se ne o makansie no ebekọ enti o man Ghana ebre oba ye no odnani afamu a na binim eno nti ena GF president eto nsafre no a wan popuni tine nei dwumade yi abaye krabehwe ena wiase nyina enche o medi ho adanse
all the technical pathway. It will be a comprehensive education, and I don't know, you cannot avoid this if a player comes from Italy to have a different education. But in the end, we want to work with the modern trends of football in a very modern way and build up a way from a child to an adult player and give him the right chance to train, to find the right talents, and to educate them in a comprehensive way, age appropriate. This is the idea behind the DNA.
Na GFA president Kate Okrakunzu say ebuku yi omodi abai omon tom passe obi bia o se na nigi akansie ne ho no wonno mo sikon kan na se mfikyire bo ompo na wo ba won hwemu no mfa nsua de.
And to implement same. I know that people will love that we give our DNA a name. And that name will come through a special contest that we're going to put together, where Ghanaians will offer us names, and the best name obviously will be the name that we'll use. I know people love to hear agro, samba, catenaccio, etc., tiki-taka, whatever. Ghanaians will be given the opportunity to name So to give us a name to adapt for our DNA.
Black Stars assistant coach Masoud Didi Dramani papa ikopia dwumadie yase o se sanse ono nso oye training nti saa book ye bebo ne pa efiri nansan ko idie afa na wiase amansan nyina ba behunu so my Ghana adoma chede no onyankopon de adom won.
We need to be deliberate, and today is the beginning of how to become very deliberate. Once you are deliberate about the process, it is all about alignment. Alignment in the sense that the players within the industry need to align that there's some good aspect of what has been spoken. What is the good aspect? That the aspect is about that individual young player who is even yet to be born. Not even the current ones, the ones that are yet to be born. So you need to do something very, very different, and that is the deliberation. It tells you that you need to begin to see something, and you need to be aligned with it. Everyone around the industry need to be aligned with it. Administrators, stakeholders, all the stakeholders that you can talk about.
Right, I know the course war a Ghana football DNA launch and a basso no say bukuni available so we ni jehona opebia na watwra ko general secretary of the Ghana Football Association wa ma obina wa kenkan wo se na Ghana isi pese boy boro e be be se no be rolling out say nya buku aye de be shem pass na kwambia so ya yusu ni ade a hye ne so sa efa e ma me na yen kopie mo nsem foforo mo Ghana International na brante baba Raman me no ka say Greece no wasan kopie pie okay na sisi okwakosina kai na bebrina se ne wa brimu ne ofia na okwa Chelsea for sign no ankosi hwe Chelsea wa cha fimra so so okona ni ni ade a wa kire mu de ntia wa kopie mu e wo Greece important mo Angel and Roland Adama okay hona eguso tin kunya so den samna de brewo and the man Papa Abdul Rahman no hwem ni ntia kopie mu e wo Greece na ye kopie mu nsem foforo mu na Real Madrid defender Antonio Rudiger Meno kasai wo maimu na wona Shooting Stars do won tuma sie ni twe wono toss no kwa wo ye nyasam keto akra Shooting Stars enche won so beko Euro toss na ese kwa bia so mo na Antonio Rudiger e ka won tuma sie ni twe na bibia etimi ekoye na obepie mu sai nyana ma ne mfa ne huni ene ne twen komo na wo kire mo sade ba kwa beboa ama Ghana football tuma pa afa ne tuma pa France ba bia ono nyi ye ne Germany ho ne ade ne mu hu no ne se aban no ne Football Association ne common tuma sie ni na maboa Ashram infrastructure and so to make brane about my talents now I am more.
Well, build facilities, build the system of football, and then so that those young boys can one day be in the best teams in Europe. So, but this comes all down to organization. So now we talk higher up. So that's why I don't know how the system goes here. But at the end of the day, still you see a lot of Ghanaian talents in Europe and around. So I think that's the goal.
Let me push you this one. You've been at Cuban, you've been at Madrid, their training ground and everything. What were the steps that you saw? What are the things that you've seen that you think we can inculcate here in our system to also help us?
Clear is organization. Organization is key to everything.
A message to Chelsea fans and Real Madrid fans. A message to them. Let me just one time. Here's a message to them. A lot of them are in Ghana here. Trust me, you have a lot of fans. So to Madrid fans and to your former team, Chelsea.
No, like to my former team, like everyone knows, Chelsea has been special to me. 5 years there, win the Champions League, and Real Madrid, Hala.
Right, Antonio Rudiger, Real Madrid defender na. Ordering somewhere to Jasa no. Shane Sumami say chief fast mixture. Omo kan one pay na ere somewhere there pro. Na yenko Ramos from former Ghana International Awudi Saka de nsamo to dwade. Futo shonko de ama young footballers e ba say kwambia so muntie futu ne beboam.
Ala na mo ba sisia no. Mesre mu say football no and that form. Football no enye chatting. Watching and learn. So who show player be now learning na ebeboa. But phone no crampo no problem wo because woji phone na wo pese wo kohwe nioma bi a enhia as a footballer young player wasi so a untimi make it. Na footballer eni kwan say wo pe ma bebre. Wo koye masturbation. Sa nioma no de trust me. Wo de hu gura mu a untimi nye player in future because one masturbation no a spirit. Onya chiwa or the ukoshawa de bia akola bi be confess o me camp. A day otimi 5 times. Masa we a player now we yes ade na untimi make it. And as a footballer no try say what education be good. Yeah. Because education is a key. God first. But what education enya champion e do sika be dwa nanka e no krampo de nka e first time anka nya hwe ba wan hwe e be first second third e be kosa akosi wa bra wan hwe a the whole world nim say wa bobola nyaska enso na wo end no na enye saska na onya ye enti mesre say Mr. Kate we dey afutuo kakra ni ma hu say wa start build this structure ma wani nkosu serious pa because ade ne dey wo ya Ghana football be fa into mabafra man kwala na education nye first na football nye second said dey wa start a wo su be bo wo ye schools ni education no Mr. Ogina una so na e be bo ma Ghana football akona ni
na kwa na me bo me ruchoku me sa kwaba na Audi Saka na wakasa waguri nkomo so wone Mavis amano na wahwe bi here Sunday bia area 12 ehon asamana yakopi mo the Black Queens of Ghana wo mo akache na Olympic Games me man antimi ankoma na de mo awi ata so say o me kwa kopi mo pa qualifiers no chance against Guinea and that na match na Barcelona show player and the Black Queens so the same way to dwa say kwan bia so mani abre person mo te o man anim.
We haven't lost we haven't considered any goal which is perfect. So that means we are doing well. We are listening to the coach. We watch videos. Our mistakes, we correct the simple things. So I think the Black Queens is doing well. Black Queens will go into the game perfect, and Black Queens will get the maximum 3 points. We always tell ourselves we need to focus. We need to do what we have to do because this is what we want to do. So we are always pushing one another, and I think it has been quite good for us in camp, and we're pushing forward to do what we have to do.
Right, mano, ne samale ne shon de to Ghana ne Guinea, shedding so south from me now. Send the more gel and roll on can when you're in some idea bread one and place and so oneexpect.com. So yes, sponsors I bring now this ya kon me je bam bam yo. Now, Jifas me share one jana so buy mo. Or jana so obey me mo. And I pay Saturday ni so say what I know I have something which is there. The na when you be hot ready per the me richoko and I bring say one sa ekabie no I want hot. And we open you but I hot near come na no pano to say we di no something dey inside rather so you no hold we worry choko munya sam ketwa etiane is in there and panino mo kwala no ti fa ho jim ni pansa hwe ma quick and one pay na get and someone at the ebre war now image where shematade ma she me ma she image where come up no pay cha me sakwachi image where wa shematade come up na ade mo hwe na no pay Kent Cap Mr. James Rafia Kenton of Kenton Furniture fantastic morning come on na pay pa on Kent Cap na Kenton Furniture we kesi nyina Immortal Aja question for now Bernard Paddy Botche na face no Sergio Manocha me producers na no pay mo kan ho me nsabro ade bra wo kai sa wo de nankasa beka kejwa ne ho Eric Asiedu body ne koso hebedwam